up in the field. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I like the birches he left.
Yeah.
He left some good trees. You know, a couple ashes, a couple birches, maple. The old logging road. See where that goes.
Oh, yeah. That's where it would be fun to have a four-wheeler.
So I think this will be the spot right here. See crane behind there. Full view in the winter, but we'll start selectively harvesting those tall trees for firewood next year. And then the view will be year round. He's in the shade. See, this is that interesting stuff that seems to like to dry in the light. I don't know what it is, like a coral moss?
Some sort of like maybe moss or lichen, some sort of...
Yeah, like a lichen.
I'll have to look that up. Leave it in the comments below.
I thought lichen had a red tip and they were like a...
Oh, there's a lot of different lichens.
Oh.
A lot of different. Investigate this apple tree.
I say we make a pond down there where all the water's going. Figure out where the easiest spot is.
Oh, look. This is
Thyme?
This is fresh thyme, a wild thyme. Oh, it smells beautiful. Cute little flowers. It smells so good. You want to go see the apple tree?
Yeah. I was just thinking this would be a nice spot right here. there's little pink flowers. Like,
This is a neglected apple tree that we hope to save. Very top of it. Hold it on.
I think something's eating the apples, Jess. I see calving over here already.
Oh, I bet the deer probably come and eat the fallen apples. Now that you mention it.
Look, something was here recently.
Yes.
Look, something laid right here.
Look, there's another path right through there.
Yeah, they're eating these crab apples or whatever.
Yeah, that's nice.
We could take one of these shoots, one of these little shoots, as a clone. Not this one.
Oh,
Not
it's
that
all
one. That
dead.
one's dead.
Well, we need a ladder.
That looked like the car from the little house. That
A deer.
between the new property for sale. What's this?
Right here. And they're eating
Hey, Jen,
the apples.
can I ask you something?
Oh, sure.
What's this?
Oh, that looks like a vine.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Some sort of
That
vine.
is a vine, isn't it?
You see the red leaves are different.
It's a grape and apple combo.
I don't know if that's good though. The grape,
Yeah, the
the
grapes
grape.
and the apples are symbiotic.
I think we should look into that because I would be afraid that the grapes would start to overtake it.
They trade
Okay.
like fungus, like
There's a
mycorrhiza.
little apple right there.
This one right here. Like that.
There's more over here.
Hold this one.
Blue skies.
I dropped an apple here. I don't see it.
Well, the deer will find it. The leaves are just starting to change. It's peeking out a little bit of red.